So hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to show you guys this new wig I purchased, and this wig is from a company called NetGo, and of course you know I got it from Amazon. It comes with this weaving cap and it's in the color black. This is basically a synthetic wig with bangs, okay? So here I'm showing you guys the length and how it actually looks. This is basically an unboxing of this wig. You know, opening it, I didn't know what to expect, but inside I noticed, like this part I'm showing you now, definitely I would say this wig is big head friendly. It comes with straps on the inside, and you know, it's like a 2-3 minute type of installation. It doesn't take that long to install on your head. It's quick and easy to put on. If you have an event to go to, it's easy to install. It doesn't take too long. So as I was applying this wig to my head, I automatically noticed how soft this wig was. It's extremely soft, I have to say. And I felt like the bangs are perfect. I like how the bangs were cut. They are not too thin and not too thick, okay? When I tried on this hair, you know, it really exceeded my expectations, I have to say. I am applying some makeup at the top to give it more of a realistic look. I wanted you guys to see the ends of this hair, like it has wavy ends. It's a loose curl with bangs type of wig. The curls are beautiful on this hair. This hair basically has loose curls, okay? So if you like that look, you would like the style of this wig. What I like about this wig is that you can wear it in so many ways. You can wear this wig by doing like a side look, you know, some hair at the front and some of the hair at the back, or you can wear it on the side like this. You know, I'm just giving you some ideas and ways you can actually work this hair. And then you can also wear this hair by putting all of the hair at the back, putting it up in one if you don't feel like having your hair out. Or you could wear it like this, which is my favorite way to wear it. I prefer to wear it with the hair out in the front and long. But I felt like this was such a good wig. I give this wig 4 out of 5. The only cons I would say about this wig is that it does tangle quickly but also sheds. But this wig was only $24. Overall, I feel as if it's a good wig for the price. If you're interested in this wig, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to this review. And I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!